I understand the frustrations.
Listen to me. You see the type of job we me do? Me couldn't plan to save it. Me can't save it, sir.
But I heard such wonderful things about you, Sister Priscilla. I heard you have a voice of an angel.
See me talk good things about you?
Okay.
Go ahead, Alton, do you? You're laugh and take care of, brother. Put in that character.
Man, see, man, I heard you have a voice of an angel. So give us something, sister. Yeah.
This man.
Come on.
Well, no, action.
Where did they? Oh, I heard it. Attire.
What is that? Fix pushing the car. I don't know if you know. I want a pin.
Yeah, I'm a bit concerned about the tights that sister Priscilla wore.
And you're going to ask me if I don't see it. Insist me find out if I see it or not. Yeah, insist me find out if I see it. The whole of our vagina. You said the whole of our vagina.
Thank you.
Alright. Wake up. I don't know if you notice. Sister Priscilla attire. Sister Priscilla. Wait, come again. Get out the laugh. You laugh, man. Yeah, man. I'm get out the laugh. Alright. Actually funny, dog. Because I know every time I do this, it's like funny. You see me? So I have to laugh about it first. Alright. I don't know if you notice, Sister Priscilla.
Me cannot sing, sir. This throat full of pure cockroach.
The devil is a lion! Sister never Jesus.
Yeah. Come on. Candy. See what I'm saying?
Yes, me know that me go stand there, me go so. I'll frighten him. Don't frighten him.
That is full of cockroach.
The devil is a liar.
Come on. Come on, read up. Let's go.
Go ask me again.
Chest out me.
Ask me again.
Ready now, action.
Ready now.
Ready, action.
Ask me again. No, you say yes and me can sing and sing.
Yo, yes and can sing. I say you have a lovely angelic. Ready.
Sister
Priscilla.
All right.
My Lord.
I'll tell you, I'm putting it on the camera so we can do it.
Yo! Yo! Me dey beg
Kenny.
Alright, come.
Bite my finger.
Yeah.
Ready, come, wrap it up. Let's wrap it
So
up.
what should be our reaction?
All right, sister. All right. That was sister. That was wonderful. That was
You know one shame.
beautiful. All right, sister.
So when I was confession, I say,
Yeah, man. So you don't look like that. To be honest.
You stop record, Daddy? Daddy, you stop record?
No. So no, Alton,
He could have walked and come back and turn up and then we move it.
so here we have a set things now.
We just pause.
Yeah. Here we have set things that Alton we have done. Set things. All right, sister. Thank you. Beautiful. All right, sister.
Here's what you're going to do. I am the new pastor.
I need you to come on the choir.
We're
Put
gonna
away the old things. Anything that was in the past, let it stay in the past. I am the new pastor. It's a new ship we're sailing. So please, come down to the church. All right?
And don't worry yourself, you don't have to sing.
Yes, I know about yourself. You don't have to worry. All right? Ready? Ready and action.